दो दोस्त, दो कहानियाँ और एक ज़बरदस्त अनस्क्रिप्टेड सफ़र। काजल और ट्विंकल खन्ना ने लॉन्च किया अपना नया अनस्क्रिप्टेड ओरिजिनल टू मच। ट्रेलर में दिखी उनकी दोस्ती की मस्ती, कैंडिड कन्फेशंस और ज़िंदगी के अनोखे पल। एक शो जो होगा फुल ऑफ लाफ्टर और रियल टॉक्स। आइए देखते हैं इस शो के लॉन्च की खास झलक।
So basically, like Mrinalini said, she came to me with this idea that, I would love to we would love to take this and, put a female gaze on it. And there's like, we see you doing this. And I was like, yeah, actually, even I see myself doing it. and I think universally we all were like, oh God, the only person that we can see, who will be able to give us the sarcasm and the unfiltered things that we want to say but never do would be Twinkle. And that's how it all came together. Of course, we've known each other for a while, but no, we've never collaborated on anything. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it was great fun. And the BTS is way more fun. I just want to tell you that.
Oh my God. Okay. Twinkle.
And you said that we called our friends. Who says these are friends? They're not. I mean, we behaved like insurance agents and telemarketers. We made cold calls. Whoever said yes, we got them on our show.
We leave it up to your imagination. I don't think I want to put a limit on it and say, itna hi hoga. Isse definitely zyada hi hoga. If we have their numbers on the phone or not.
I can't believe they're saying this again and again. Twinkle.
There were only two things they had to do. They had to be breathing and they had to kind of be available. That's it. And we called them.
Thank you for that question. So I'll give you an honest answer.
Yeah.
So the honest answer is with both of them in every episode is dhamakedar, is fully entertaining. However, I have I have a couple of favorite episodes, but if I call them out, wo thoda too much ho jayega.
It's so much fun because yes, there is there's a lot of laughter and there's a lot of fun. But I think what's nice about it is also the fact that our guests have also spoken about their views and their viewpoints in the nicest possible way, in the nicest possible setting, with the coolest questions.
Nice.
Just to give us enough credit for it.
Of course.
But yeah, and I have to say kudos to all of them who've come because they really have spoken so very well and from the heart and the mind and not sometimes.
Psychological layers and layers about society, viewpoints. And we try to go a little bit deeper than other chat shows, and I think that is our USP. We have fun, it's irreverent, but it's also not frivolous at all. It's got some gravitas.
It's the most fun. I just want to tell you all that it is the most fun. I think, like I said before also, the BTS is like way more interesting. Itna kaatna pada. लेकिन इतना मजा आया था और the kind of stuff that I think we automatically kind of say to each other and around each other is also really funny. It's really funny because when I look back on it, I was like, how the hell did we say this? This is really not politically correct. This is truly not politically correct, but so very funny. So yeah, it was great fun.
I tease her and I call her Behen on the show, but it's kind of true. We are not friends. We are like sisters. We bicker. We make fun of each other. But we trust each other. We both have each other's back, and I think that's very important to have on a show like this.
Like I said, Rohini, we were thinking, what to do next in nonfiction. There's so much that's happening. So then we decided we wanted to do a chat show. So we were like, okay, how is this chat show going to be different from every other chat show out there, right? And like I said earlier, every chat show is an extension of a host's personality. And I think the one thing we really wanted to do was we really wanted to put the female gaze onto a chat show and be like, what happens when a woman is asking these questions? Is there kindness? Is there more fun? Are they coming at it from a different angle? What happens in a chat show where two women compel you?
And it's always different. Like
always.
you have male hosts who will ask you questions,
yeah.
And you're always like, and men have a way of looking at things and have a way of answering certain things, and women when they ask the same questions are totally different ball game altogether, and you answer them very, very, very differently. Yeah.
100%. Yeah.
And the questions are different because they don't see the world through our perspective. You know, they don't go through life every month, you know, going through some sort of trauma the way we do, right from puberty till, you know, menopause. So I think we have a different way, and we brought that to the show.
It doesn't feel like an intimidating set. It's where you'd come, chill with your friends. They've laughed through it. You know, we've laughed, and we had a great team putting this together. In Akriti sitting right there, Niranjan, Janvi, and a whole lot of others who are not here today. But, and I think the one thing that was really nice about the show is that everybody had everyone's backs on the show. We were not doing it for the, you know, it's not like we were trying to connive on an edit or do anything. It was all for, we want to put this out there, and how is it going to feel? And I think that's been one of our greatest achievements out of the show, that it's a chat show with two very sassy hosts and ladies who are very, very unapologetic and unfiltered about everything that they say. And we're just very happy to put this into the world. Can't wait.
If you look at Traitors, which became so popular, I'm glad you're a fan of the show.
Thank you.
It's, you know, the first of its kind format that's been created for streaming. It's not a format that was created for television and also
Yes.
happens to stream, right? Or the Angry Young Men documentary on the journey of Salim Javed and, you know, how brilliant they were. Or even A.P. Dhillon's docu-follow about his rise, or our recent reality show, Follow Kar Lo Yaar. So if you look at all of them, we're trying to do something new and break the mold. They don't stick to any formula, and I think that's what's special.
That's the
This is
secret.
what we're trying to do for on this show as well. You know, they've spoken about it. This is a format where we're introducing two absolutely original voices, two female hosts, a different kind of gaze. And, you know, sometimes you can just feel that this is different and special. That's the feeling that everyone who's seen the idea or seen the promo or even the poster looks at and says, yeah, this one is different
It's
from the mold.
different, yeah.
And, you know, that's what we've been trying to attempt.
I don't have any fun rituals. I have to tell you that I was super nervous.
Oh.
I was super nervous. So my whole thing with her was, are we okay? Are we okay? Yeah, that was my ritual, and it was not fun. Let me tell you that. It was really not fun. I mean, we were fine after we got on set, but before that it was like, are you going to be okay? Are you going to be okay? I was a little like completely nervous about, you know, what was going to happen and all that. So yeah.
No, I mean, we do have a ritual. We put on our rollers, and then we go and bang heads together about who gets to ask the worst questions to the most boring guest. And we divide it up like that.
I think our most favorite two guests on the show would have to be Salman and Amir. I think they are, no, actually, to be very honest, my favorite guest on the show was Govinda. I have to say that he was so super entertaining. And I mean, not to say that everybody was not nice and whatever, but Govinda is Govinda. Let's just like hands down, like nobody can argue
Completely.
with that. He's a trend, he's an icon.
I'm her biggest cheerleader, and she's mine, I think.
Yeah, and what's nice about it, I think the crux is what she said and what Mrinalini said, is that we're not competing with each other, which is really nice to see, and that's something that, and it's really nice to experience, you know, where you're not standing up there. There is genuinely, I mean, we're literally building each other up,
Yeah.
and that's wonderful to work with, you know. So yeah, appreciate that. So I think it was that, because we were like, no more censorship. It shall not happen again. It's a law. We've passed it.
I mean, my husband always tells me, chashma pehen lo, which is code word that keep quiet. So now I've told him, chashma toot gaya.
जो challenges थे वो हर show पे होते हैं, इस show पे भी थे. And yes, we had a lot of guests, but I had a lot of executive producers on the show. Executive producer 1, executive producer 2 sitting there. So we all together have pulled it through, and we are very excited with what we have to put out there.
No, I think I got your question completely. मुझे समझ में आया. लेकिन I think we are the kind of people that are pretty much जो हम लोगों से कहते हैं उनके मुंह पे, वही मतलब पीठ पीछे इतना करते नहीं हैं. So the way we are with them normally is pretty much what the show is about. So I don't think that they have felt very uncomfortable at any point. Maybe a little uncomfortable, but not too uncomfortable. And we've been pretty much as we are normally with them.
Thank you
We
so
have,
much.
we have a philosophy, we don't keep anything in our stomach. We just
इसलिए पेट
throw
flat है.
up on people, then they are covered with vomit and we walk on.
I think Karan is a very very good speaker. Karan बहुत ही मतलब he has done this chat show for so many years that he is a very very good speaker. So हमने कोशिश तो की है उसको थोड़ा सा uncomfortable करने की, but लेकिन he is, I have to say, has won hands down and spoken so very very well.
She's being nice. We trouble him off camera, on camera, and he tries to wiggle his way out of it. I'm not sure if he succeeded.